Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add LUTs to your Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, LUTs are basically just chroma key, or not chroma key, color grading presets, which you can freely use in Davinci Resolve. If I go ahead, and as you can see, I have a video here. If I go into the Colors tab over here, I have the LUTs menu in the top left, and if I click on that, you can then go and access any of these files and apply any LUTs you want. What I would advise you to do, however, is add another corrector node and make the corrector node before the main one, and you're gonna be adding the LUT to the second node just so that you don't lose any accents or highlights in the colors. And as you can see, you can add the LUT very easily just by double clicking, and that is pretty much it. Then you can, if you want to play with the highlights, go to the color wheels and just lower the gain, and that should add any highlights back. You can play around with it however you want. You can add offset, gamma, add anything you want pretty much, and that is how you use LUTs. Now, the way that you can add them is once you're in this menu, just right click on LUTs and click open file location, and any LUTs you might download or have on your computer you can place in a file here. As you can see, I have a empty LUT folder which is I think the Filmworks LUT,